Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows on the monthly. I still think it probably is like an expanding flat or something like that, just like the euro dollar, and if that is the case, it most likely will go up and take out these highs before we get that bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this looks like a wave 1. To me, it looks like a running flat wave 2. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. If that's the case, that means that this right here is a 1. We may even already have the end of a wave 2. We got CPI tomorrow for the dollar, so hopefully that's going to help confirm that the wave 2 really is over. And hopefully this is just going to keep on trending up in a big wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this 5-wave trend over here is a 1. I still believe that this right here is very clearly an ending diagonal wave A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B. I think this is a downtrend wave C. We definitely do have a break of structure. It looks like a complete pattern. It looks like a complete wave 2. It never did take out the low of wave 4, and it never did take out the low of wave A, but I mean, wave C's do not have to make lower lows than the wave A in an uptrend. To me, it looks like it could possibly be over, and hopefully, like I said, tomorrow's CPI news will help confirm that this really is a wave 2 complete, and that we really are going up for a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, looks like a nice uptrend right here. I would always label something like this as either a wave A or a wave 1, so that way I won't get surprised at either scenario. I would definitely label this as 3 waves down, either wave 2 or wave B, and I would definitely be looking at this move up as either a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, then it could bounce off one of these fib levels, make a nice break of structure to the downside, ending a wave C, proving that the wave C is over, and if that's the case, I'll definitely go short for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it's not a wave C and it really is a wave 3, it may bounce off a fib level, but it will never break structure, and it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and that will also help confirm that this is a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So I still have my Fibonacci retracement here like I was talking about in last night's PM video, because we were sitting at the 78%. Now if it does go down, if it does break structure, which at this point doesn't really look that likely, then I would definitely still take that as a short. It would actually make more sense to me if it did go down and set itself up for a long tomorrow at the CPI news. But it doesn't have to do that, and I definitely wouldn't go short unless it did clearly break below structure, because to me the trend is up on all the higher time frames, and it's probably more probable, probably more likely that this will just keep on trending up for either a wave 3 or a wave C, just like I was explaining on the 4-hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.